Welcome to Primary ypww, Lesson 6. I do not own the rights to this music. The title of today's lesson, Sibling Series, Joseph and Benjamin. The lesson scripture is coming out of Genesis chapter 42, verses 1 through 5. Genesis chapter 43, verses 29 through 34. Genesis chapter 45, verses 1 through 5. The memory verse. And bring your youngest brother unto me. Then shall I know that ye are no spies, but that ye are true men. And that's Genesis chapter 42, verse 34. The target for today's lesson. The Lord wants his children to know that Joseph was chosen and sent to Egypt to save his family. A time came when all countries went to Egypt to see Joseph. He was governor over the land and in charge of the storehouses. All came to him to buy corn. There was a great famine, but Jacob heard that there was corn in Egypt. He sent his sons to buy. He did not allow Benjamin to go. He feared that something bad would happen to him. Joseph saw his brothers. They did not recognize him. He accused them of being spies. He asked if they had any other brothers. They told him about Benjamin, and they said one of the brothers had died. Joseph entertained his brothers. He gave them corn and sent them on their way. They were told to bring Benjamin. When they returned, Joseph saw his baby brother, and immediately he wanted to cry. He sat his brothers on one end of the table. He sat on the other end by himself. The brothers were amazed because Joseph had placed them in age order. He gave them food. He gave Benjamin 5 times more than everyone else. Finally, Joseph tried to keep Benjamin, but the brothers begged him to let the lad go back home. They stated that it would kill their father. Joseph cried and revealed himself to his brothers. He sent everyone else out to the room. He asked, "Does my father live?" They were shocked and could not answer. He explained that God had sent him there to save their lives. They went back to Canaan and told Jacob. At first, he did not believe them. Then he saw the many wagons of gifts that Joseph sent unto him. His spirit was revived, and he believed. Jacob lived the rest of his days near Joseph in the land of Goshen. The questions for today's lesson, and you can ask for a help from a guardian, a parent, or a teacher. And also search the scriptures. Number 1, why didn't Jacob let Benjamin go to Egypt on the first trip with his brothers? Number 2, why did the brothers go to Egypt to buy? Why? Number 3, what did Joseph ask once he revealed himself to his brothers? And what did he send Jacob? The end. God bless you, and thank you for joining me today.